Hey everyone, welcome back to HD Camping Adventures. We're spending a couple of nights out in the rainforest, and this time we packed the Ooni pizza oven. We're trying a few new recipes out here, and trust me, you won't want to miss what ends up on this pizza. We got here a bit late on day one, so nothing too crazy. Just setting up camp and kicking back to relax. If you want to see all the gear we're using out here, check out the video linked in the description. After a great night's sleep, we're up early with the coffee brewing and the forest waking up around us. We've got something special planned for breakfast, but let's be honest, nothing happens until the caffeine kicks in. Alright, this is a first for us. Breakfast nachos in the pizza oven. I've got no idea how this is going to go, but if it works, this might change how we do camp breakfasts forever. Picture this, all your go-to breakfast favorites. Eggs, bacon, sausage, loaded onto tortilla chips, buried in cheese and baked until it's bubbling and irresistible. Yeah, this might just be the ultimate camp breakfast. These nachos came out exactly the way we were hoping. Crispy, cheesy, and ridiculously good. A little guacamole, a spoon of sour cream on top, and breakfast is officially served. With the pizza oven on break, we kick back to take in the view. Rafters floating past, birds chirping, and that perfect midday stillness. Of course, we also squeeze in a quick nap, because let's be honest, that's half the reason we go camping. Alright, it's showtime. The cameras are set, the oven's fired up, and we're about to make history. Because who else makes lobster pizza while camping? To mark the moment, we dropped a limited edition shirt in our shop, because honestly, this deserves its own merch. We're making 2 different pizzas today, and if you're thinking about trying your own version at home, we've listed all the main ingredients down in the description. Everything you need to make your own lobster pizza. We're starting off with an olive oil base and loading it up with some serious flavor. Mushroom, tomato, lobster, ricotta, avocado, and a touch of arugula to finish it off. With everything prepared, it's time for the fun part, stretching out that dough and getting it ready for the Ooni. Bringing a pizza oven to camp instantly levels up your cooking game. Once the ingredients are ready, the process is quick, and it's a pretty awesome break from the classic campfire hot dogs and burgers. Pizza number 1 is officially in the oven, and honestly, it's a thing of beauty, bubbling away with that rainforest backdrop, making it look straight out of a movie. Dave adds the finishing touches before we dig in and enjoy this amazing pizza. Then it's on to round 2. The sun's fading fast, but between the glow of the camp lights and the fire from the pizza oven, the vibe couldn't be better. For round 2, we're going cream-based, loaded with mushroom, tomato, corn, bacon, and plenty of gooey mozzarella. Pizza number 2 is baking away, and this one's taking its sweet time thanks to the creamy base. The smell alone is unreal. We seriously can't wait to dig into this one. With our stomachs full and another unforgettable day behind us, we settle in by the fire, the sound of the river in the background and the warmth of the flames wrapping up the night just right. Good morning. Another solid night's sleep out here. It's always around this time that it starts to sink in. The trip's winding down and it's almost time to head home. We're calling it. Pretty sure no one in history has ever made lobster pizza in the wilderness until now. Thanks for tagging along on this crazy adventure. If you've got any wild camp meal ideas you want us to try next, drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you're ready for the next HD camping adventure. Thanks for watching.